That's the way it'll be. Oh, take two.
Take two, have battery issue. First problem with the thing is the battery went dead in the camera. Rule number one is to make sure your batteries are charged, which I did last week. I charged them all. For some reason, the battery became defective and decided to uncharge itself. So, with that said, it's the battery's fault. Go ahead.
Jacks are up, pictures are taken, everything's off in the house, and we are about 5 minutes from heading down the road to Savannah, Georgia, and we are so excited, and we just can't wait. Woohoo!
And we're off, like a herd of turtles.
And we're on our way, I'm so excited! And the car didn't get in the ditch. Good job. Good job, guys. Headed into Savannah. Look at this old bridge over here that we're getting ready to go under.
Hi, we're
Hello.
lost. Where are we? No, I'm only kidding. This is the tour we wanted? Yeah. Okay. The Jolly Jump. Yeah.
Y'all have tickets already?
No.
Alright. You just park anywhere in this parking lot and then y'all have tickets already?
No, we don't have tickets.
Just come right inside here and get your tickets.
Okay. Is it?
Well, if it's not, I don't know what we're gonna do.
At the entrance to the church, over there where those columns are on your right, there's a steeple there. That steeple is 236 feet tall. It's the tallest structure in the city of Savannah. Now, if any of you ever saw the movie Forest Gump,
I don't know if you've heard or not, but they made a movie all about me. It was called Forest Gump.
the feather that fell into Forrest Gump's lap at the beginning of the movie supposedly came from the steeple of the Independent Presbyterian Church. Stones are rocks and stones that were taken out of the farms and fields of Europe, and they were put in the holds of empty ships as they came over here to pick up their loads of cotton at the port of Savannah. An empty ship is a seaworthy ship. Once they got here, they had no further use for these rocks and stones. They just kind of pitched them up on the banks of the river until somebody finally got the bright idea to start paving things with them.
It depends. What I'm asking Kevin is, it depends on if you want to go, if you're headed this way.
So we pretty much passed the tourist area, and we decided that we really would like to go down to the water and take some pictures down by the river. hi to Tigger. Me and Tigger. Gonna take a walk down to Waving, what is it?
Waving Lady statue.
Waving Lady statue. So we had lunch at Lizzie's, and now we're gonna head on back on the trolley. So we're gonna go over here to the trolley stop. We can't go into a city without going to the local Walmart. Here we go, our Walmart in Savannah.
I gotta pee when I go in there, so I'll find you also.
I didn't know if I wanted to have that on the video. Jay has to pee when he goes in. Imagine that.